The Accent Your Body treatment provides controlled heat therapy to fight wrinkles and tighten skin on the face and body. The treatment process is entirely comfortable, quick, and virtually pain-free. And since it's not surgery, there are no incisions, stitches, or even anesthesia needed. There's no recovery time required. You can go straight back to work or home with no one the wiser. The Accent treatment helps treat any problem areas you might have by tightening and firming any loose, wrinkled, or dimpled skin anywhere on the body. The treatment is frequently used to improve the thin, delicate skin that develops on the face, neck, and under the upper arms. Many patients also seek treatment for post-surgical or postpartum abdomen, thighs, or buttocks. Accent Your Body has been proven safe and effective on all of those areas as well. It uses cutting-edge medical technology called radiofrequency. It uses radiofrequency energy to heat the dermis, your skin's inner layer. This targeted energy helps reorganize the cellular environment and stimulates your cells to produce new collagen. New collagen is what gives you the smooth texture, elastic quality, and beautiful radiance of youthful skin. DermaSound is a state-of-the-art ultrasonic skin treatment system that incorporates environmentally safe water with low-frequency sound waves for superior results. This non-invasive treatment can improve all skin conditions, including wrinkles, acne, rosacea, and pigmentation through combined deep cleansing, enhanced product absorption, and soothing microcurrent application. The process supplies an extremely low-level electrical current, such as that found naturally in the body, reaching injured cells and allowing them to accept nutrients and expel wastes at an optimum level. Ultrasonic and microcurrent therapies replenish the skin and increase the production of collagen. The result is a rejuvenated complexion and ongoing skin improvements beyond the treatment period. Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa also offers NIR skin tightening to be used in conjunction with the DermaSound. Used in combination with the DermaSound treatment, near-infrared technology uses a safe infrared light that heats the tissue under the skin's surface to tighten skin laxity and improve your skin's architecture. The treatment stimulates the infiltration of fibroblast and the formation of new collagen, enhancing the tightening effect and helping to bolster the skin against future aging. The presence of healthy collagen in the dermis helps maintain the skin's youthful resiliency and texture. Alma Laser's patented in-motion technology ensures that the procedure is virtually painless for the patient.
That you feel disappear. And no damage.
Okay.
The staring of the epidermis or upper layer of the skin.
Who's the right kind of candidate for this procedure?
I have a stocking here, Marcy, if you need to wear it.
Spots will become darker, and then they come to sweetness and kind of plays attractive to the redness or the brown in the skin. And because it's preferred, so this is just the application of the light. Vessels underneath the skin, so that we inject those vessels, and some of it will go into that area, and so then we're injuring.
Laser hair removal is the modern way to achieve smooth, hair-free skin with no pain. Imagine no more shaving, tweezing, painful treatments, or ingrown hairs. Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa utilizes the Harmony laser specifically to deliver optimum results for your hair removal needs. Alma Laser's Soprano XL provides pain-free, hair-free treatment and is a state-of-the-art procedure specially designed to remove unwanted hair faster, more comfortably, and with fewer visits than ever before. You can even treat sensitive areas without the discomfort you have with other systems. If you're wondering how you can refresh your appearance without surgery, the Pewaukee Wrinkle Reduction System may be right for you. This treatment safely and effectively treats facial wrinkles with virtually no pain and no downtime by delivering constant, gradual radiofrequency energy deep into the skin, resulting in a firmer, tighter, younger-looking you.
What if you could give your look a lift on your lunch hour? What if you could reduce wrinkles without any surgery and without pain? No needles, no anesthesia, no downtime. Well, we found a new, fast and surgery-free way to have younger-looking skin. Here with us this morning is Dr. Flor Mayorel, a board-certified dermatologist from Miami, an expert in skin rejuvenation treatments. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. How are you?
Great. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
When I think of skin rejuvenation, I kind of think of, the Botox, the fillers, the needles, everything that I just say no to. But this is different and virtually painless.
If you hate needles, this is the treatment for you. It is a radio wave device that we apply to the skin and we move it in a circular motion. It warms the tissues. And the body will eventually replace that collagen that we have warmed up with brand new collagen.
Now you have some before and after pictures of some patients that have really been very happy. If you could talk to me about what we're seeing.
Absolutely. These patients have, for example, before and after pictures, it's very obvious that the eyes look brighter, the skin looks smoother, they look less tired, and they look younger than they did before we did the procedure.
And there's no burning, there's no anesthesia?
Nothing. All you do is you show up, 15 minutes later you leave, and you look much better, and your skin looks smoother and tighter.
Now, what about the eyes? I'm very worried always about doing anything around my eyes. It's very sensitive. How could Pewaukee help me?
Actually, it's the ideal thing to do around the
Really?
eyes. If you are worried about looking tired and you have a party or something important that you want to do, you come in, we do it around your eyes, and then you go off to your affair, and you look fabulous, and you look better than you ever did, and you have no telltale signs that you did anything at all whatsoever. Radio waves have been approved by the FDA for removal or improvement of wrinkles.
And I'm building my collagen at the same time.
Absolutely. You will start building your collagen, and your body, after we warm the collagen, your body will replace it with brand new collagen.
Well, we actually went to your office, as you know, and we want to tell our viewers, we spoke to two patients who are thrilled with this new treatment. And Vivian Calvo, she actually did some treatment around her eyes, correct?
Exactly, yes.
And she has a wonderful testimony here, so let's take a look, okay?
Of course.
Hi, my name is Vivian. I'm 67 years old, and today I'm having my third Pewaukee treatment around the eye area. I have an event coming up. I just need like a quicker picker-upper so I look fresher. It's not painful. Sometimes it gets a little bit uncomfortable, but it's not painful at all. I believe my skin looks firmer. I believe the dark circles are gone, and the eyelid on top, the upper eyelid, doesn't look as tired. It doesn't look as droopy.
Great results. She's happy. How long did that take?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. All right, stick around. I have more questions for you, okay? And when we come back, we're going to tell you how long these results will last. That's what I want to know. And we're going to see the before and after from a lady who has the full facial procedure. So don't go away. So she did the whole thing. Welcome back, everyone. This morning, we've been talking to Dr. Flor Mayorel, a board-certified dermatologist from Miami, about a revolutionary new procedure for reducing wrinkles without surgery or downtime. You can have this done on your lunch break. That's how easy it is. All right, doctor, so welcome back again.
Thank you.
We've talked about how wonderful this new procedure is, how non-invasive it is, and how women are loving it. But my question to you is, how long do the results last?
They have shown that 87% of people that have a single treatment still look good 6 months after having one procedure.
So you can actually come every 6 months or every year? Is this on,
Some people can choose to do, for example, 2 or 3 procedures, spaced 2 to 3 weeks apart. When you think you look great, you stop doing it, and maybe every 6 months or so you do a maintenance treatment so that you can use this as part of looking younger.
A little tune-up, if you will.
Yes, everything takes tune-up.
There you go. Now, we had talked earlier, before we came back from our break, about a full facial procedure.
Yes.
I'm thinking that, and I'm thinking that's going to take hours. How long does that take?
No, 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the person. Remember, if you have a bigger face, it takes a little bit longer. If you have somebody with a small face like you, 40 minutes, plenty of time to do it.
Are you like coaxing me into this?
No, we would never do Beth, remember. We have to do you.
Beth doesn't need it. It's me. I'm the older one here. Now, earlier we talked about another patient, Caroline Garcia.
Yes.
She did the full facial procedure. So let's see her results and how happy she is, okay?
Okay.
Let's take a look.
Hi, my name is Carolyn. I'm 35 years old, and I'm here for full face Pelave, and I'm very excited. It gets very warm and pretty hot, but it's actually very relaxing. It feels like a massage. It's not painful in any way. It's great. I'm really thrilled with the look of the face. It's a lot tighter, and I feel like it's taken a few years off. I'm gonna tell my mom, my friends. I'm thrilled with the results. I would recommend it to anybody. I would do it again in a heartbeat.
Wow. I love it.
I know.
She looks great.
Yes.
Now, what can Caroline expect when she walks out of your office?
Every once in a while, somebody will have a little bit of redness, a little puffiness. It can last 2 hours. Maybe by the next day, they will look great. But truly, most people walk out of the office looking their best.
And they really notice something when they get in the car? Because I would be like looking in the rearview mirror right there.
Absolutely. We actually show patients the minute we do one half of the face or one eye, the difference between the side that we have treated and the side that we have not treated. I have never seen a patient be unhappy with that.
You were actually telling me in the break that girls just get together when the bridal shower is coming up, the wedding.
For a wedding, your daughter's wedding, for your own wedding, the bridal party will come in and they will all have Pelave the day before, and they look fabulous the day of the wedding.
So, doctor, let's talk about who's a good candidate for this.
Anyone between the ages of 30 and 80 can do this procedure.
Okay.
But if you're a good candidate, if you think you want to have it done, you really need to ask your doctor if it's right for you.
So I have an idea. You're now my dermatologist, and I am going to ask you, may I do this?
Absolutely.
I think I'm going for it. Okay, I'm loving this. I'm game. I'll do a before and after of me.
We'll do it.
Okay, thank you, doctor, so much. And for more information on this treatment, just go to Pelave.com, or to find a doctor near you, you can find Pelave on Facebook.
This is called Pelave. It's in
Pelave.
Pelave.
O sea, el Pelave.
Pelave, right?
This is Pelave.
Pelave with an accent mark, right?
That's correct.
When you hear the words radio frequency, you probably think of a stereo, a TV, or even walkie-talkies.
But what if I told you it was the latest treatment in skin tightening?
If you could reduce wrinkles without any surgery and without pain, no needles, no anesthesia, no downtime.
Dr. Lawrence, exactly what is Pelave?
Pelave is a device that emits radio waves or radio frequency to stimulate collagen growth.
And then the energy is applied to the skin, and then if it gets into the dermis, it'll tighten the skin a little bit and promote new collagen growth. So that's the kind of central thing.
That is what we want. We want that collagen to make it look a little bit less wrinkled.
So, Adrian, were you feeling it very hot?
No, not at all. It's just a warm sensation.
A warm sensation on your skin. Oh,
It's more like a warm massage.
Oh, okay. So a nice facial, getting a nice facial.
Exactly.
Right.
Treatment is a non-invasive treatment. There are no local anesthetics required. There's no needles, there's no cutting, there's no scar tissue. The trend nowadays is to go away from the surgical procedure. I think this is something which is going to take the cosmetic world by storm.
What should someone expect after the Pelave procedure?
Immediately after the procedure, they should expect to see their skin, firmer and tighter, because we actually treat to a clinical endpoint, meaning I'm not going to stop heating and contracting that skin until I see lifting, firming, and smoothing. We set the patient up at the halfway point, they look in the mirror, and typically they just say, wow.
You can see the crow's feet area right at the corner of the eyes has some improvement in the fine lines and some tightening in that area. And this is with no surgery, no pain, no needles, no injections.
Well, I'm a big believer in radio frequency, and this is just another way to do that type of treatment.
It's pain-free, and sometimes you hear that, and then you have the treatment done.
Right,
it's like,
you're like, yeah, they were lying. This honestly
so this is pain-free.
Okay, I'm halfway done.
You're halfway done.
One side. Can you tell the difference?
We both have used different forms of radio frequency in the past. I think the biggest thing that I see immediately is that this handpiece is so different than what we've used in the past.
This handpiece allows us to deliver great precision. We can focus on areas that the patient is really concerned about, which is wonderful.
Somebody said, you know, Jane looks a little bit different. Her face looks a little, you know, fresher or something. So I think it actually kind of works.
Does it feel good?
It feels good. It does feel good.
Don't hold back.
Express yourself.
Express yourself by asking your doctor about Botox Cosmetic. Millions of women already have. Express your interest by visiting BotoxCosmetic.com. Get some of your toughest questions answered. Find a qualified doctor in your area to help you decide about the one, the only Botox Cosmetic. It's all about freedom of expression.
Art can be awe-inspiring, fascinating, and thought-provoking. Art is all around us and in many different forms, although the real beauty of art is that it can tell a story without saying a word. And like art, those moderate to severe frown lines between the brows can also say a lot about a person.
It started to make me look like I was either concentrating too hard or I was a little bit stressed out.
I was home for Christmas and I was reading a book and my mom said, "You look like you're frowning."
I think it's because I started to look angry or something all the time because the lines were there.
Everyone has their own reason for speaking to their doctor about Botox Cosmetic. What's yours? Whatever the reason, you're here to learn about the art of Botox Cosmetic and what your doctor can do to touch up those moderate to severe frown lines between your brows. Hi, I'm Lisa Masters, and I'm here to talk to you about the one and only Botox Cosmetic, a simple, non-surgical, physician-administered treatment that can temporarily treat moderate to severe frown lines between the brows in people ages 18 to 65. Botox Cosmetic, botulinum toxin type A, is a true original. It's by prescription only, and it's the only treatment of its kind approved by the Food and Drug Administration. We've created this video to help you understand more about Botox Cosmetic, what it is, how it works, and how it can visibly improve the appearance of moderate to severe frown lines between the brows. After viewing this program and reviewing the important safety information, talk with your doctor about Botox Cosmetic to see if it's right for you. Only a licensed, trained healthcare professional can administer Botox Cosmetic. Now, let's cover the questions that are on everyone's mind. Botox, botulinum toxin type A, has been used therapeutically for over 16 years to treat a variety of medical conditions. It's approved in more than 75 countries and remains the most studied botulinum toxin and one of the most widely researched medicines in the world. The same formulation, with dosing specific to frown lines, was approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in 2002 as Botox Cosmetic. Over time, movement of brow muscles causes the skin to crease. As skin becomes less elastic, repeated frowning creates lines and wrinkles between the brows. Botox Cosmetic is a purified protein produced by the Clostridium botulinum bacterium that relaxes the muscles by blocking nerve impulses. With a few tiny injections, Botox Cosmetic blocks the release of acetylcholine, the chemical that causes muscles to contract. With less movement, the facial muscles begin to relax and the lines begin to fade. You'll still be able to frown, smile, or look surprised, but without the creases and wrinkles between your brows.
I'm very satisfied with the results.
My expectations were definitely met.
It was no big deal, and the results were just right on target.
This simple, non-surgical procedure consists of a few tiny injections and can be performed right in your doctor's office. No anesthetic is required. The first thing your doctor will determine are the places that need to be treated. Prior to being injected, these areas may be numbed with a cold pack or anesthetic. These are the sites where you can expect to be injected with Botox Cosmetic. Using a very fine needle, a tiny injection will be made into each site. Since there's no recovery time or downtime, you can even receive Botox Cosmetic treatment on your lunch break. And within days, you'll see a noticeable improvement in the appearance of the vertical lines between your brows. Now, let's hear from some patients who've experienced Botox Cosmetic treatment.
It was very painless. It only took about 10 minutes. I was out of there.
It's a very small little pinch that you feel, and I felt that it was really easy and much easier than I thought.
Thing about it, there wasn't any downtime. You know, like I could still go and do my errands. I could still do whatever I had planned for my day.
You can expect to see noticeable improvements in a matter of days, and you may continue to improve during the first week after treatment. Optimal results should be visible within 30 days.
The results actually were very subtle. It took about 2 or 3 days to kick in.
You can still see expressions. I'm still frowning. There are still little fine lines.
With proper dosing of 20 units in the brow region, the positive effects of treatment can last up to 4 months. Ordinarily, you will only need to repeat the treatment 3 or 4 times a year. And treatment with Botox Cosmetic can be repeated as long as you continue to respond.
I've been doing it now for 3 years, and I love it.
I definitely would think that doing this every 3-4 months is not at all a heavy expense.
It just makes me feel like I did something for me.
According to a recent survey, most patients were satisfied with the results of their Botox Cosmetic treatment. And for 4 years now, Botox Cosmetic has been the most popular physician-administered cosmetic procedure in the United States, surgical and non-surgical combined, according to the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery. Think about your reason for talking to your doctor about Botox Cosmetic treatment, and together you can decide whether it's right for you.
I'm very satisfied with the results, and I'm satisfied with the whole experience.
Yeah, I'm very satisfied.
I will continue to receive Botox Cosmetic treatments.
I'm glad we could share a few moments together today. We hope we've helped you get a feel for the art of Botox Cosmetic and treating those moderate to severe frown lines between your brows. Thank you for your time, and please speak with your doctor if you have any additional questions.
Do you dream of going to the beach or pool on a whim without worrying if you remembered to shave that day? Have you hesitated to look into laser hair removal because you heard it was painful? Now your dreams can come true through a revolutionary new procedure called Pain-Free Hair Free. It's the comfortable new way to do laser hair removal. We recently asked 2 patients to tell you about their experience with Pain-Free Hair Free.
I spend a lot of time every day in the shower removing hair. My ethnicity makes me a little hairier than other people. I'm self-conscious about it. I did do electrolysis a couple years ago. It didn't work. It was really painful, and I ended up shaving that area anyways, so it was a waste of my time and money. I'm interested in laser hair removal for the convenience of not having to shave my underarms, which is the area that I'm interested in having the hair removed from. My best friend has spoken so highly about this procedure. She's had it done before and the results were great. I've tried different hair removal processes in the past. Waxing, which is a little bit too painful for my taste. Shaving, it comes right back, and depilatories, you know, none of it really worked to my satisfaction. So I'm really looking forward to doing something that's more permanent. I had soprano XL treatment on my lower legs, and I hadn't really known what to expect. I never had the laser hair removal of any kind done on my legs or anywhere. And what I had experienced, I didn't have any downtime whatsoever with that. My legs didn't feel hot or burnt or tender. The skin was fine. So I was able to go about with my normal activities the same day. Within, I would say, about 2 weeks, I noticed I didn't have to shave. There wasn't anything happening. Well, since my first treatment, I have definitely noticed a reduction in the hair that's come in. I used to have to shave very frequently, and now when I shave, I notice there's less hair, and not only that, it's a little bit less coarse than it was too, so that's great. Especially my underarms, I can tell a big difference under there. The only side effects that I really had from the treatment, I had just a little bit of redness under one underarm. It went away within a couple of hours, so I was really happy with the results from the first treatment. I'm really looking forward to progressing with the treatments. My ultimate goal is to not have to shave very often at all. If I only had to do it every several weeks or every couple of months, that would be fantastic, so I'm looking forward to continuing. I had 2 treatments done, and after the first treatment, I noticed a difference about 2 weeks later. It just felt really, really smooth. And I had the second treatment done maybe 6 or 7 weeks after that. And I don't know, I didn't really need the second treatment, I thought, because my legs were still smooth. I only shaved maybe once or twice in between treatments because I didn't have to. And now it's like I have to look down to actually see if I need to shave because I can't feel it. I think the treatments made a lot of difference now that I think about it. Well, first you feel sexier because you don't, when you shave every day, you feel better after you shave because you're hairy. And then you just feel good, like fresh out of the shower. And you have that feeling every day because you don't have hair on your legs. And if you do, it's so thin you can't tell it's there. Well, since I've had the treatments, I have noticed a huge difference. The hair comes in so much more finer. I mean, my hair was really coarse, and my husband would complain, if I didn't shave my legs for a couple of days and scratch him when we're cuddling at night. But he's definitely noticed a difference, and I think he could vouch for it, that it's made a big difference in how much hair has grown back and the way that it feels too. I definitely shave fewer times now, and one of the things that really impressed me about it was the time. I mean, I popped in there. It took between, I think, 20 and 30 minutes, and that was to do my legs and my underarms. It's just been amazing. I definitely want to have more treatments on different areas of my body. It didn't really hurt the way that I heard that it might. You hear that it's kind of like a rubber band snapping, and it's kind of a hard sensation to imagine. But it really just felt kind of like a warm massage. It was pretty comfortable overall and really quick.
You too can save time getting ready every morning, have more confidence in your appearance, and not have to endure any discomfort. Talk to your doctor today about how to get started with a pain-free, hair-free treatment plan for yourself.
Parentheses have a place, but not on your face. Lose those lines with Juvederm. Juvederm is an injectable gel your doctor uses to smooth out wrinkles. Like those lines on the sides of your nose and mouth? Instantly. Side effects, usually mild to moderate, included temporary injection site reactions like redness, pain, firmness, swelling, or bumps. Smooth, natural. Everyone will notice, but no one will know. Ask your doctor about Juvederm.
When I'd smile, they weren't as noticeable. But when I wasn't smiling, there they were, right smack in the middle of my face.
I'd catch a glimpse of myself and would think, who is that and where do those lines come from?
So I went to my doctor and I told him what bothered me about my face and I said, these.
I hate those parentheses lines. Is it okay to say hate?
I wanted them gone. The sooner the better.
I didn't want to look done. I just want to look like me.
Those parentheses lines, I used to have them too. That was before I discovered Juvederm. Now I'm a huge fan and a loyal patient, which is why I'm here to talk to you about Juvederm. Juvederm is the next generation dermal filler. As your skin ages, it loses structure and volume, which causes those wrinkles and folds. Juvederm smooths away lines and wrinkles by putting back what nature took away. Juvederm is a smooth gel dermal filler made of hyaluronic acid, or HA, which helps to attract and maintain water, hydrating your skin and increasing its volume. Smooth and natural looking results in an instant. How great is that? With Juvederm, you're just a few minutes away from fabulous. Now, you've heard how women felt about their wrinkles and folds. Here's what those same women are saying after Juvederm.
What I liked the best is no one could figure out what I'd done.
It's true what they say. Everyone will notice, but no one will know.
I couldn't get over how easy it was. It was like, hey, where'd those wrinkles go around my nose and mouth?
And now I look in the mirror and I can barely remember what those lines were like before.
Juvederm smoothed away those wrinkles above my lips. Now my lipstick stays in place. I didn't even need my glasses to see the difference. It's like, hello, I'm back.
People would comment on how refreshed I looked. I just thought it was funny. I'd say, thanks.
Yeah, why not?
Did your doctor do those before and after pictures?
Yeah.
Because mine did, and I could really see the difference right away.
Aren't you glad we did this?
It was so easy. I tell everyone, go to the Juvederm website now.
People are so happy with the results they get from Juvederm. Now here are some more, before and after.
I love that the results are so instant.
My husband is still trying to figure out what's different about me.
If you want to learn more, check out the Juvederm website. You can learn all about Juvederm, how it works, what people are saying about it. Hey, has anyone tried the facial assessment tool?
That part of the website where you put in all that stuff and you get a picture of what you want to look like? I love it. I brought it to my doctor to show him what I want to look like.
Yeah, I tried the assessment tool too. It was so great. It helped me understand what wrinkles and folds I have on my face and showed me what Juvederm could do to smooth them away. It really helped to have something to show my doctor.
Ask about Juvederm for smooth, natural-looking results that last. Lose those lines. Look smooth and natural. You'll see. Everyone will notice, but no one will know. Ask your doctor about Juvederm.
Nature has a way of astounding us, producing unexpected moments of pure magic from clouds forming to the tide ebbing and flowing. Nature has the ability to fill us with wonder and in the process brighten our lives with the miraculous. Above all, nature has the power to transform, slowly but surely changing everything it touches. It ebbs and reduces, taking away volume, leaving the marks of passing time. But nature also has the magical power to regenerate, to invigorate, and to restore. As time passes, nature also has a transformative effect, on our own appearance. Faces can lose some of their collagen, and folds and wrinkles may appear around our nose and mouth. Radiesse has found a way to use a little restorative magic to return that lost collagen, to give you back a natural, younger look immediately, and to keep that look for a long time. Radiesse is unlike many treatments that have come before it. It really does seem to work like magic because it's effective immediately and then continues to work with your own body to produce a lasting, natural look and feel. The treatment is so simple it can be performed over a lunch hour, and the transformation is noticeable right away. The natural, youthful look stays with you. For many patients, this effect may last a year or more. If it seems like magic, that's because it really does have a magic ingredient, and that ingredient is you. Because your own body works in partnership with Radiesse in a remarkable way. The science behind this magic involves a process called collagenesis. Radiesse magically starts this process by stimulating collagen production in your body and encouraging collagen to grow around the injection area. Radiesse contains smooth microspheres that are injected into the skin through a simple, safe, and minimally invasive procedure. Once it's injected, our little microspheres make a big difference. They add volume to Radiesse, optimizing its immediate effectiveness at smoothing out wrinkles and folds. This unique feature of Radiesse is truly a wonder of nature, helping your body create its own naturally younger look by combining our microspheres with your own natural collagen. Unlike common creams and lotions, the effects are noticeable right away. And because of our unique microspheres, the natural results are long-lasting. In fact, for many patients, one injection can last up to a year or longer, and that can mean fewer treatments and fewer doctor visits to get that fresh, natural look you want. Radiesse is FDA approved and has proven to be safe and effective through years of clinical studies and independent research. In fact, allergy testing isn't needed prior to treatment. If you've witnessed the arrival of spring after a long winter, or the effect of rainfall on parched earth, you understand the awesome transformative power of nature. Well, thanks to the magic of Radiesse, that power can work similar wonders on the way you look and the way you feel about yourself. Radiesse is the treatment that helps you become a magic ingredient, working in harmony with your own body to stimulate collagen growth and transform the way you look in a way that is so natural it will fill you with wonder.
Hydrofacial is the latest non-invasive skin resurfacing technology. This new technology was developed by market leader Edge Systems Corporation, and it's a revolutionary breakthrough. It's designed for patients and for estheticians who want to get the aggressive results of exfoliation without aggression and without discomfort. Let's take a look at why the HydraFacial is today's most advanced, non-invasive skin resurfacing treatment.
Forget microdermabrasion. The newest way to battle those fine lines leaves the sand blasting behind. Instead, it's all about the moisture.
Okay, Lola, I'm going to begin your treatment, okay?
Okay. Lola Nelson is no stranger to facial treatments.
Oh my gosh.
But today, she's trying something brand new, a HydraFacial.
It feels totally different. A lot different than your
Yes, it doesn't hurt at all.
typical microdermabrasion treatments you've had in the past?
Well, it doesn't even scratch at all.
This high-tech piece of machinery is so new, on the day we saw it, it hadn't even been officially released yet. The HydraFacial is different from a microdermabrasion treatment because it adds moisture to the equation. Instead of blasting the skin with gritty crystals, the special tip blasts the skin with serums, which the makers say infuses the face with moisture. At the same time, it sucks up dry, dead skin that can make us look older than our years.
Exfoliation without the discomfort, where you get the aggressive results without the aggression.
The aggressive results end up here.
There it is in its glory.
The HydraFacial may be new, but its makers are already claiming success. You can see in these before and after pictures, fine lines are gone, so are age spots and other discolorations. As for Lola,
oh my gosh, I have no red lines?
She says it's a big change from all those microdermabrasion treatments she's been getting.
I'm seriously in shock about how my skin feels. It doesn't hurt at all and it doesn't feel dry.
This morning, News 6's Casey Gomer is at a salon in Wilmington that's offering a new service to combat the negative effects of the sun. So, Casey, tell us about it.
Well, I had it done actually here at the Vita Salon, and it was painless and didn't take too long to complete. This is Gail Darling, who's the manager. Now, Gail, what type of person should be looking into getting a HydraFacial?
Actually, it's made for all types of skin, but especially someone who has uneven skin tone or maybe a little roughness to their skin. Being a beach town, there's so much sun damage, and the public just needs to be educated just on how bad the sun is actually for your skin. So, I find it fantastic that, we're able to, break grounds here.
Why is a HydraFacial so good for people with sun-damaged skin?
Well, people with a lot of sun damage, their skin tends to look really dry, chalky, uneven, patchy. So what the HydraFacial is going to do is pull out all that dead skin, exfoliate, and rejuvenate the skin, and it's going to make the fibroblasts in the cells to start reproducing and plump the collagen back up.
Hey, Casey, is it for women only or men? Can they have this done as well?
Men and women are coming to get these HydraFacials.
I'll be there soon then. All right, Casey, thanks very much.
The HydraFacial uses the unique patented HydroPeel tip to exfoliate dead skin cells and extract impurities, while simultaneously cleansing and hydrating the skin. The serums soften the dead skin cells and sebum, making it very easy to peel off those impurities. The spiral design of the HydroPeel tip gives it multiple abrasive edges, which means that the skin is exfoliated several times each pass, when the tip planes over the skin. The spiral design also allows the serums to stay on the skin longer to boost performance and absorption time.
Oh, it made a huge difference. I can see the before and after pictures. I can see that my skin has become more refined, more rejuvenated. It just feels wonderful. And every time I come back, I'm so excited to come back. So many people have said, oh, your skin looks so nice. And my sister even said, you have really nice skin. We already knew that, but she said, oh, it's even better than it was before.
I have seen a reduction in my wrinkles, absolutely mostly around my mouth area and my eyes. My skin is less red. I had a lot of discolorization on this side particularly, and the discolorization is almost not there anymore. I'm definitely more hydrated. My pores are smaller. I would say actually you don't even see my pores anymore. People compliment me on my skin almost daily. And I would say that I'm almost 47 years old, and when I share that with people, they're like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? I don't wear makeup. I don't like to wear face makeup. I only wear eye makeup, and the HydraFacial has made it that I don't even feel like I'm missing anything because my skin looks so good. For me, a microdermabrasion was not only a little bit uncomfortable when you're going through the process, but I would leave feeling very, very red, very dry, very tight, and I would actually feel like I wanted to hide away for about 24 hours before my skin started healing, I would say. HydraFacial is 100% more effective. I could go out that night and feel absolutely beautiful and radiant.
I have brown spots all around my face. I have a big mustache on top of my upper lip. I have spots in my forehead, on my chin, and on my cheeks. My face was like I was wearing a mask. I also have many lines on my forehead. Tiny lines and a big line over there. And after some treatments, they're gone. We could see the difference right away, the before and afters. I can go to the market without makeup, and I don't need to hide anymore.
I had really red skin. I always had a red nose, a red chin. I broke out constantly, whether I ate well or not, whether I ate chocolate or not. I had started developing rosacea on my forehead and on the side of my face, and I wanted that all cleared up. I had been looking at pictures of myself, and I just looked worn out. I had an eye allergy. We didn't know what was causing it, and my eyes were puffy. I could no longer wear makeup, and I was miserable. So I was really looking for a miracle, and I feel that I got that. There was a vast improvement in my skin. I felt that the redness was disappearing with my nose and my chin. My skin was soft for at least a week, and the very next day it was like the oxygen around my eye area. It was so good for that allergy, and it was like it took layers of dust off my skin is how it felt.
We've seen many wonderful results with the treatments we've been giving with the HydraFacial, and today we have some good friends with us that are also my clients. And I'd like to introduce them to you now. They're going to share their experiences with us and some of the good things that they found from their facial treatments. How did it feel when you were actually laying on the bed and having the treatment?
I fell asleep once.
Well, you definitely would not do that with microdermabrasion, I can tell you that. There's no way. I found it just extremely relaxing, and it's just so quick. I mean, it's amazing. You really feel like, oh my gosh, don't be done yet. This is so comfortable and fun, and I love to be pampered anyway.
My problem ever since I was a kid was I always feel like I have such big pores for some reason. I think it's because I have very oily skin, and like most people, I have that T-zone. My skin is also prone to acne. Like my face is always heavy. I have all these oils and the blackheads and everything. Now I feel like, you know what? I feel like I just stepped out of the shower. Everything's kind of just glowing and radiant, and I don't have to really worry about putting too much makeup on anymore. I used to get facial before, like on a monthly basis, and I used to dread going to it because of the extractions.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like I'm going to the dentist. And all of a sudden, Sherry just does the brush. I feel like it's like a paintbrush. You just... And
I know, you can't even feel it, and then they're all gone.
Exactly.
Would you say that this is the kind of treatment that you'd want to continue to have indefinitely?
Forever. Absolutely. I haven't done anything since I was introduced with HydraFacial. I will not go have a facial. I will not have another microdermabrasion, and I am just 100% sold on HydraFacial. And I would never change anything. I think the effectiveness, the gentleness, the long-term results, it's like, why would you try it? Why would you spend money going and doing anything else? I would replace this with any kind of facial treatment I would just have a hydrofacial once a month instead of anything else. Like, normally you'd go and have a facial once a month. This is just, it's faster, it's more effective, and it's just awesome. I don't know if you guys have had that, but I've had the LED light because I have the wrinkles. I mean, you were blown away at the difference just the first time because of my fine lines right here. And that, I think, has made the biggest difference with, which is a great addition to the hydrofacial. I think I've had 3 treatments, and that has done a huge, it just made the changes even more radical.
But if we add other modes on there, because we do have, the lymphatic drainage and massage therapy, there's one on there I haven't even told you girls about, and that's cellulite treatment.
I need that.
Sarah is having a dermaplane treatment. Dermaplaning is a safe and effective mechanical exfoliation treatment which leads to fresher, softer skin. Repeated treatments stimulate and rejuvenate skin tissue, making it an effective way to reduce acne scarring, uneven pigmentation, and fine lines. This treatment provides skin with a smoother appearance by removing dead skin cells, in addition to the fine facial hair that can trap excess dirt and oil and leave complexion looking dull. A dermaplane treatment is excellent used in conjunction with a hydrofacial, or, as in Sarah's case, after a skin rejuvenation treatment such as the AFT. 7 to 10 days after having an AFT treatment, dark spots and hyperpigmented areas can now be exfoliated away, giving a refined, finished look. The Pixel Q-Switch laser offers less pain with plenty of gain. What makes the Pixel Q-Switch different? Traditional skin resurfacing with fractional lasers has helped many people reverse the signs of aging. And unlike topical creams, laser skin resurfacing works deep in the underlying tissues to fight those fine lines and wrinkles and the uneven skin tone that often accompanies growing older. Fractional laser treatments can even reduce the appearance of acne scarring. This popular and long accepted technology has normally been ablative, meaning that some portion of the top layer of skin is deliberately damaged. But the discomfort and recovery time associated with ablative skin resurfacing isn't for everybody. The solution is the Pixel Q-Switch from Alma Lasers. This revolutionary new technology delivers a controlled, pixelated wound at the proper depth in the dermis without harming the overlying epidermis. In other words, the Pixel Q-Switch allows for fractional laser resurfacing without that top layer skin damage.
Do you dream of going to the beach or pool on a whim without worrying if you remembered to shave that day? Have you hesitated to look into laser hair removal because you heard it was painful? Now your dreams can come true through a revolutionary new procedure called Pain-Free Hair Free. It's the comfortable new way to do laser hair removal. We recently asked 2 patients to tell you about their experience with Pain-Free Hair Free.
I spend a lot of time every day in the shower removing hair. My ethnicity makes me a little hairier than other people. I'm self-conscious about it. I did do electrolysis a couple years ago. It didn't work. It was really painful, and I ended up shaving that area anyways, so it was a waste of my time and money.
I'm interested in laser hair removal for the convenience of not having to shave my underarms, which is the area that I'm interested in having the hair removed from. My best friend has spoken so highly about this procedure. She's had it done before and the results were great. I've tried different hair removal processes in the past. Waxing, which is a little bit too painful for my taste. Shaving, it comes right back, and depilatories, none of it really worked to my satisfaction, so I'm really looking forward to doing something that's more permanent.
I had Soprano XL treatment on my lower legs, and I hadn't really known what to expect. I never had the laser hair removal of any kind done on my legs or anywhere. And what I had experienced, I didn't have any downtime whatsoever with that. My legs didn't feel hot or burnt or tender. The skin was fine. So I was able to go about with my normal activities the same day. Within, I would say, about 2 weeks, I noticed I didn't have to shave. There wasn't anything happening.
Well, since my first treatment, I have definitely noticed a reduction in the hair that's come in. I used to have to shave very frequently, and now when I shave, I notice there's less hair, and not only that, it's a little bit less coarse than it was too, so that's great. Especially my underarms, I can tell a big difference under there. The only side effects that I really had from the treatment, I had just a little bit of redness under one underarm. It went away within a couple of hours, so I was really happy with the results from the first treatment. I'm really looking forward to progressing with the treatments. My ultimate goal is to not have to shave very often at all. If I only had to do it every several weeks or every couple of months, that would be fantastic. So I'm looking forward to continuing.
I had 2 treatments done, and after the first treatment, I noticed a difference about 2 weeks later. It just felt really, really smooth. And I had the second treatment done maybe 6 or 7 weeks after that. And I don't know, I didn't really need the second treatment, I thought, because my legs were still smooth. I only shaved maybe once or twice in between treatments because I didn't have to. And now it's like I have to look down to actually see if I need to shave because I can't feel it. I think the treatments made a lot of difference now that I think about it. Well, first you feel sexier because you don't, when you shave every day, you feel better after you shave because you're hairy. And then you just feel good, like fresh out of the shower. And you have that feeling every day because you don't have hair on your legs. And if you do, it's so thin you can't tell it's there.
Well, since I've had the treatments, I've noticed a huge difference. The hair comes in so much more finer. I mean, my hair was really coarse, and my husband would complain, if I didn't shave my legs for a couple of days and scratch him when we're cuddling at night. But he's definitely noticed a difference, and I think he could vouch for it, that it's made a big difference in how much hair has grown back and the way that it feels too. I definitely shave fewer times now, and one of the things that really impressed me about it was the time. I mean, I popped in there. It took between, I think, 20 and 30 minutes, and that was to do my legs and my underarms. It's just been amazing. I definitely want to have more treatments on different areas of my body. It didn't really hurt the way that I heard that it might. You hear that it's kind of like a rubber band snapping, and it's kind of a hard sensation to imagine. But it really just felt kind of like a warm massage. It was pretty comfortable overall and really quick.
You too can save time getting ready every morning, have more confidence in your appearance, and not have to endure any discomfort. Talk to your doctor today about how to get started with a pain-free, hair-free treatment plan for yourself.
Botox Cosmetic is an FDA-approved, non-surgical wrinkle relief treatment that can temporarily smooth moderate to severe frown lines. With just a few tiny injections, within days there's a noticeable improvement to those lines on the forehead and brows. Those injections to the contracting muscles temporarily cause the muscle tissue to relax, and the relaxation of those muscles causes wrinkles to miraculously disappear and can last up to 4 months. One of the fillers we offer, Juvederm, a smooth gel that is made up of hyaluronic acid, which is a naturally occurring substance found in the body, can be injected underneath the skin, adding volume and reducing the appearance of facial wrinkles and folds.
So this is just the application of the light, and usually it's going to be about 60 to 80 flashes of light on the skin to do a complete face. It's attracted to the redness or the brown in the skin. And because it's bright spots, will become darker, and then they come to the surface and kind of flake. And we've done a little test spot before to see works especially well for discoloration that's either brown spots or red.
Chemical peels use a chemical solution painted onto the skin to remove the top layers of skin, improving acne, irregular pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, and scarring, exposing new skin. They can range from mild to aggressive, and depending on the nature and depth of the peel, a significant number of layers can be exfoliated. This allows new, fresh skin to be exposed, creating a vibrant appearance, promoting a rosy glow, or even drying up an acne flare-up. We offer light to medium depth peels that will regenerate the skin for a healthy glow. Depending on the strength of the peel, some may just leave your skin freshened and radiant. Others are deeper and are associated with a few days of peeling and redness. Your clinician will work with you to determine which chemical peel is best suited for your skin and schedule. Near-infrared skin tightening is an effective, safe, and non-surgical procedure for improving the skin's laxity and architecture anywhere on the face or body. Deep thermal heating stimulates the rebuilding of collagen, leading to firmer, younger-looking skin. Used alone or in combination with other treatments, this state-of-the-art treatment helps to restore, tone, and tighten the skin with no downtime, minimal discomfort, and at a fraction of the cost of cosmetic surgery. Patients will typically require a series of treatments over a period of several months. NIR treats most skin types and ethnicities, and patients experience little or no downtime and can immediately resume their daily routine.
Inside, you may feel young, vibrant, full of life, but your outward appearance is telling a different story. You secretly wish to recapture the tighter, smoother, more contoured shape you used to have that better matches how you feel on the inside. Whether your trouble spots are your face and neck, the underneath part of your upper arms, abdomen, thighs, or buttocks, now you have a unique and completely comfortable way to tone, firm, and tighten your skin. It's quick, no anesthesia is needed, and best of all, you can go back to your daily routine almost immediately. Yes, a more confident and contoured you is possible. Our office has acquired the latest, most advanced laser technology on the market today. It's called Accent Your Body, a non-invasive technology which has been scientifically proven with a high satisfaction rate by thousands worldwide to literally give you a second chance with your appearance. With Accent Your Body's advanced technology, we can smooth away fine lines and wrinkles, tone and tighten your loose skin and cellulite, improve your body contours, and stimulate new collagen production for steady, long-term continued improvement and tightening of treated areas. Accent Your Body treatments are often described as a warm massage. The warm sensation is a result of the heating of your skin's dermis, that inner layer of tissue. Your aesthetic provider will apply the heat and energy to the precise area of treatment without negatively affecting surrounding tissue. This new technology is truly different than other solutions offered today. Using Accent Your Body technologies to heat superficial and deep tissue provides distinct and visually measurable results of both overall shaping and firming of deep tissue and the smoothing of fine lines and wrinkles in more delicate areas. Depending on the size of the treated area, your treatment session may take up to 45 minutes. Following your treatment, you will notice a slight redness in the treatment area, which should disappear within a few hours. The length of your treatment protocol will be customized to your treatment goals with approximately 4 to 6 sessions, spaced a few weeks apart. Affordable and convenient, you can actually schedule this treatment on your lunch break. Accent Your Body has been scientifically tested and proven safe and effective for a wide variety of skin types. anywhere on the face or body, and by all ages. You can expect dramatic change without the need for invasive surgery. That's the advantage of Accent Your Body. Be sure to ask our friendly, knowledgeable staff to set up a consultation for you today. We want to help you achieve dramatic results that will help you look and feel amazing from the inside out.
My name is Dr. Janine Downey. I'm a board-certified dermatologist. I practice at Image Dermatology in Montclair, New Jersey. I hold medical licenses in New Jersey, New York, and California. As a cosmetic dermatologist, I'm very excited to introduce Alumera. Alumera is a light-activated cream representing the first in a new class of photodynamic cosmetics.
I work as an actress, and I just have always feared that as I got older in the business, I wasn't going to be able to really compete with the younger talent. And I'm 47 now, and I think I've become more and more aware of that. So a few months ago, I was looking in the mirror, and I'm really noticing the changes in my skin. My skin wasn't as soft as it used to be, and I started to notice a lot of the discoloration. I heard about Alumera, and I read a little bit about it, and I decided, let me give it a try. It sounded good. It was non-invasive, really very little downtime involved. I decided, hey, let me go for it.
I am a model and an actor. I'm 50 this year, and I've never felt better in my life.
You know, if you want to improve your skin, a guy just can't go to all his buddies and say, hey, how do you keep your skin nice and healthy and young looking? Because that's not what we talk about. My first thought was, if I'm a print model, why do something to my face? So I did talk to the nurse, I talked to the doctor, I asked about the light, I asked about the cream, and it all seemed very simple.
Alumera will fit somewhere in between chemical peels, which are superficial chemical peels I'm talking about, and non-ablative laser, kind of in the middle, where it's a light-activated treatment that offers minimal downtime that'll help to improve the appearance of pores, crow's feet, and fine lines. I'm very excited about it.
Alumera is a new cosmetic treatment specifically formulated to improve the overall appearance of skin, reduce the outward signs of aging, and minimize the appearance of pores by up to 44% with minimal downtime and results that last.
I'm really, really happy with the results.
Light and lotion, come on. Really, this is going to change the way my skin looks? But it did. It does change the way my skin looks. And it looks lovely and light and fresh, as you can see. And it feels beautiful.
I can't believe how good I look. And I don't say that all the time, and not a lot of people are going to notice my pores, but I do because I look at myself all the time. My pores were very large, and all of a sudden my pores are smaller and tighter. I get that look like I was just out in the sun, like I just played around the golf, and I get that healthy glow. And I get that all the time now.
People treated with Alumera tell us how excited they are about the firmer appearance of their skin and a clearer, revitalized, younger look. Downtime is minimal, and results are long-lasting.
You know, the only thing that's different is Alumera. Everything else is the same that I'm doing. I didn't change agencies, I didn't change anything else in my life except Alumera. And now I get these better opportunities. I'm extremely happy with going and getting the Alumera process, and I made the right decision.
Let me tell you, you should take photographs before you do it. Really. Have your husband or your girlfriend or somebody take several photographs to see the difference in your skin. The subtle differences are really what we would be looking for if we want to be authentic. And that's how I approach my life, authenticity. And so I was really pleasantly surprised at the results, I will say.
I go and I do this headshot shoot, and I see the photos afterward, and they're gorgeous. They're the best pictures I've taken in years. I couldn't believe it. It's like the clock had gone back about 15 years. To have heads turn again, haven't felt that in a very long time. It was fantastic. I'm excited.
My patients find the treatments relaxing, which is important because you don't want them to feel rushed because each treatment takes about an hour. They like the way their skin looks immediately after. They like the way their skin feels about 2 to 3 days after. They're noticing a difference in pore size. They're noticing a difference in crow's feet. And they're really feeling that their skin tone and the skin texture is much improved. So they're very happy so far with the results. It's been exciting, actually, to be involved.
For more information about Alumera, call our toll-free number 1-855-ALUMERA or visit alumera.com.
The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, a new application of sonic technology that provides gentle, effective cleansing, increases product absorption, and leaves skin looking and feeling smoother. The Clarisonic should be used as the first step in your daily skincare regimen. The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, developed by the primary inventor of the Sonicare toothbrush, on the verge of having the same kind of powerful impact on skincare that Sonicare had on oral hygiene. It is widely known throughout the skincare profession that the most important step to a daily skincare regimen is the first step, cleansing.
You need to cleanse your skin, you need to treat your skin, and then you need to protect your skin. So using the Clarisonic to cleanse your skin gives you that good basic place to start for the rest of your products. And the Clarisonic is just, to me, it's the best way to get your skin super clean.
So if you're not really clearing out the pores and cleansing the skin and getting off all of the oils and debris and pollutants that are in the air around us every day that we're exposed to, then you're really not allowing whatever skincare product you're using to fully absorb into the skin in its entirety.
It cleans my face better than anything else. I have less breakouts, less dryness, less redness, less everything. So I love the Clarisonic.
What makes the Clarisonic so innovative versus other facial cleansing methods is that it uses sonic technology to effectively provide deep yet gentle cleansing that can be used on a daily basis. Traditional abrasive cleansing methods use friction to scrub debris out of pores, but the Clarisonic is gentler than traditional abrasive cleansing methods because it works with the skin's natural elasticity as it gently coaxes debris out of the pores. Gentle enough to use every day, but with a unique sonic approach that provides you with softer, cleaner, and smoother skin. Not only is the science behind this product state-of-the-art, it's also highly versatile. Let's get it powered up. When you're ready to start using it, make sure you remove your eye makeup. Then liberally apply the cleanser to your skin. You can use any non-abrasive cleanser. Next, wet the brush with warm water. Gently apply the brush head to your skin. Turn on the power, and gently move the brush in a small circular motion. The Clarisonic features a proprietary T-timer for thorough and even cleansing with an emphasis on the T-zone. This timer beeps and pauses momentarily to indicate that it is time to move to another part of your face. We recommend that you spend the first 20 seconds of brush time on your forehead and another 20 seconds on the nose-chin area, and 10 seconds on each cheek. Only 1 minute and your face gets a complete and gentle cleansing. When finished, just rinse your skin and the brush head with warm water. For best results, use it during your morning routine, at night before going to bed, or any time you need deep yet gentle cleansing. Created by the primary inventor of the Sonicare toothbrush, the makers of the Clarisonic Skincare Brush are confident that once people try this product, they will never want to wash their faces in the old-fashioned way again. The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, putting professional-grade technology into your hands to be used at your convenience.
Have you ever wished for younger, clearer, more beautiful skin? Now you can have it through a special new process called Laser 360. It can reverse signs of premature aging, smooth wrinkles, and improve blemishes like brown spots, broken capillaries, and even acne scars. We followed 3 different patients through their treatment experience, and they'll tell you in their own words about why they decided on Laser 360, what it felt like, and what they thought of the results.
I want to look younger. I want to take care of my skin more, and I think that I've done some damage to my skin by being out in the sun and by not using sunscreen and not washing my face with the right types of soaps. My boyfriend is 7 years younger than I am, and I want to look at least as young as he looks, if not younger. I have not had any surgeries, no facelifts, but I have tried very expensive Chanel, lotion, Dior, bought everything that I can buy, and I'm just looking for something that might be a little more permanent.
The reason why I'm interested in skin rejuvenation is I have some acne scarring on my cheeks that I want to get taken care of. I've been looking for something for about 10 years to help me out with this. I've tried everything that I can possibly try to eliminate the scarring, but I haven't found anything I liked yet or has helped me yet.
I came in today to undergo laser hair removal on my lower legs. While I was here, one of the physicians approached me about options that would be available to help with the hyperpigmentation on my face, which was sun damage. I was unaware that I had that. I thought I just had freckles.
I just completed my pixel treatment, and going into this, I thought it would be really painful, but it was not painful at all.
Immediately following the treatment, I felt great, and today I feel perfect. I just feel like I'm wearing makeup a little bit heavier. I think it's been about a month since I had the treatment done, and I feel like my skin looks a lot better. I feel like it looks younger, tighter, just that I feel like it took a few years off, which is always a good thing. I received a few compliments on how my skin looked, and I didn't let people know that I'd had anything done. I just said thank you, and made a note to myself that definitely it was worth it and it was a good decision.
In the morning, I notice the changes because there's no makeup on. Usually when I wear makeup, it kind of fills in those spots, so I don't like how it looks. But I do notice in the morning that the difference, the skin texture, the color, the fine lines on my forehead, actually I noticed that a lot. My forehead's gotten a lot better.
I had a very, very dark freckle right here, and within 2 days it sloughed off completely. It's amazing. I'm really happy.
I've had these little crow's feet, the little wrinkles along here, and always worried about trying to cover up the size of my pores, and I wanted to do something to help prevent that from getting worse and maybe even try to take a couple of years off. And the pixel treatment was fantastic. I knew that I saw a difference. I'm my harshest critic, and so when I was looking in the mirror, I definitely could see a difference in the lines and in the texture and appearance of my skin, but I was curious as to whether or not other people would notice, and both my sister and my boyfriend noticed. My sister actually asked if I had purchased new makeup, and I just said, yeah, I did. So.
I've tried many different procedures for the scarring. I've tried probably 3 or 4 different types of procedures, and nothing's ever worked. I've never seen results like this. This was actually the last treatment I was going to try. I kind of gave up. So I'm glad I tried it, and the results are just amazing. So I love it. I don't have to wear any makeup, which is great. Just wear the eye makeup, and I feel great. Actually, when I wake up in the morning and wash my face and look in the mirror, I just love what I see. I mean, my face is so plump now, whereas before it was sunken in a little bit because of the scarring. And the doctor also told me that my skin will be a lot better and I will see more improvement as time goes by and my skin heals. So I'm looking forward to that also.
The results are just, I don't know, you come back and it's like once your skin is done healing, you've got just brand new skin and it's amazing. And I'm like, oh my gosh, now I'm a different person. And, you know, I just felt like I totally look different. So I'm really, really happy with the treatment because I'm getting exactly what I wanted. I had really dark freckles and I was very self-conscious about those. I had some sunspots. I like to call them sunspots. I hope they weren't age spots, but they're not there anymore, so it doesn't matter. I don't think I had any fine lines, but if I did, they're gone too. I just feel like finally I deserve these compliments that people are giving me, telling me I look so much younger, and now I believe it because I think I do.
Now that you've heard their stories and seen their results, talk to your doctor about a customized Laser 360 treatment plan that's right for you.
The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, a new application of sonic technology that provides gentle, effective cleansing, increases product absorption, and leaves skin looking and feeling smoother. The Clarisonic should be used as the first step in your daily skincare regimen. The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, developed by the primary inventor of the Sonicare toothbrush, on the verge of having the same kind of powerful impact on skincare that Sonicare had on oral hygiene. It is widely known throughout the skincare profession that the most important step to a daily skincare regimen is the first step, cleansing.
You need to cleanse your skin, you need to treat your skin, and then you need to protect your skin. So using the Clarisonic to cleanse your skin gives you that good basic place to start for the rest of your products. And the Clarisonic is just, to me, it's the best way to get your skin super clean.
So if you're not really clearing out the pores and cleansing the skin and getting off all of the oils and debris and pollutants that are in the air around us every day that we're exposed to, then you're really not allowing whatever skincare product you're using to fully absorb into the skin in its entirety.
It cleans my face better than anything else. I have less breakouts, less dryness, less redness, less everything. So I love the Clarisonic.
What makes the Clarisonic so innovative versus other facial cleansing methods is that it uses sonic technology to effectively provide deep yet gentle cleansing that can be used on a daily basis. Traditional abrasive cleansing methods use friction to scrub debris out of pores, but the Clarisonic is gentler than traditional abrasive cleansing methods because it works with the skin's natural elasticity as it gently coaxes debris out of the pores. Gentle enough to use every day, but with a unique sonic approach that provides you with softer, cleaner, and smoother skin. Not only is the science behind this product state-of-the-art, it's also highly versatile. Let's get it powered up. When you're ready to start using it, make sure you remove your eye makeup. Then liberally apply the cleanser to your skin. You can use any non-abrasive cleanser. Next, wet the brush with warm water. Gently apply the brush head to your skin. Turn on the power and gently move the brush in a small circular motion. The Clarisonic features a proprietary T-timer for thorough and even cleansing with an emphasis on the T-zone. This timer beeps and pauses momentarily to indicate that it is time to move to another part of your face. We recommend that you spend the first 20 seconds of brush time on your forehead and another 20 seconds on the nose-chin area, and 10 seconds on each cheek. Only 1 minute and your face gets a complete and gentle cleansing. When finished, just rinse your skin and the brush head with warm water. For best results, use it during your morning routine, at night before going to bed, or any time you need deep yet gentle cleansing. Created by the primary inventor of the Sonicare toothbrush, the makers of the Clarisonic Skincare Brush are confident that once people try this product, they will never want to wash their faces in the old-fashioned way again. The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, putting professional-grade technology into your hands to be used at your convenience.
At Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa, our medical team treats spider veins on the legs, body, and face with 2 techniques. Laser therapy, as seen here, uses our 940 laser system. A pinpoint laser light passes through the skin and selectively targets the underlying vein. The vein will disappear over time, leaving the skin intact. The other technique is sclerotherapy. We use a very fine needle to inject a sclerosing solution directly into the veins. The solution causes the lining of the vein to swell, eventually sealing off the blood vessel and preventing blood flow from re-entering the vein. We most often combine these 2 procedures during a treatment, causing a double injury technique, which results in more complete destruction of these veins and more rapid results. Spider vein treatment is a process, with gradual improvement apparent over a period of weeks. A series of treatments are necessary to achieve the best cosmetic results. AFT, Advanced Fluorescence Technology, is the next generation of intense pulse light. Intense pulse light eliminates superficial pigmented and vascular marks, evens out your skin color, and reduces tiny broken blood vessels. It is a safe and effective treatment for rosacea, age spots, freckles, sun damage, redness, and uneven pigmentation. As you can see, the intense light is emitted at a series of gentle pulses over the entire area. Most lasers produce only a single wavelength of light and are limited in what they can treat. However, with AFT, the special light emits energy over many wavelengths, allowing the light to penetrate through the skin. It takes formerly unused short wavelength light and converts it into part of the usable spectrum through a special filtering system. This produces a more powerful but safe and effective treatment. Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa offers laser tattoo removal using the Q-switched ND YAG laser by Alma Lasers. Laser tattoo removal is considered to be the safest form of tattoo removal and best for achieving the desired result without painful surgery. The process produces little to no scarring compared to other methods. Many people believe that tattoo removal is painful and will not provide 100% removal. However, this is a safe, fast, and more effective way to have your tattoo removed with much less pain. Tattoos are created by injecting colored pigment into small, deep holes made in the skin. Regardless of who injects the pigment, a tattoo artist or an untrained person, the marks or designs are relatively permanent. Because each tattoo is unique, removal techniques must be tailored to suit each individual case. Our expert staff will provide you with a professional consultation covering all of your questions, what you can expect from the treatment, and pre- and post-treatment instructions.
The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, a new application of sonic technology that provides gentle, effective cleansing, increases product absorption, and leaves skin looking and feeling smoother. The Clarisonic should be used as the first step in your daily skincare regimen. The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, developed by the primary inventor of the Sonicare toothbrush, on the verge of having the same kind of powerful impact on skincare that Sonicare had on oral hygiene. It is widely known throughout the skincare profession that the most important step to a daily skincare regimen is the first step, cleansing.
You need to cleanse your skin, you need to treat your skin, and then you need to protect your skin. So using the Clarisonic to cleanse your skin gives you that good basic place to start for the rest of your products. And the Clarisonic is just, to me, it's the best way to get your skin super clean.
So if you're not really clearing out the pores and cleansing the skin and getting off all the oils and debris and pollutants that are in the air around us every day that we're exposed to, then you're really not allowing whatever skincare product you're using to fully absorb into the skin in its entirety.
It cleans my face better than anything else. I have less breakouts, less dryness, less redness, less everything. So I love the Clarisonic.
What makes the Clarisonic so innovative versus other facial cleansing methods is that it uses sonic technology to effectively provide deep yet gentle cleansing that can be used on a daily basis. Traditional abrasive cleansing methods use friction to scrub debris out of pores, but the Clarisonic is gentler than traditional abrasive cleansing methods because it works with the skin's natural elasticity as it gently coaxes debris out of the pores. Gentle enough to use every day, but with a unique sonic approach that provides you with softer, cleaner, and smoother skin. Not only is the science behind this product state-of-the-art, it's also highly versatile. Let's get it powered up. When you're ready to start using it, make sure you remove your eye makeup. Then liberally apply the cleanser to your skin. You can use any non-abrasive cleanser. Next, wet the brush with warm water. Gently apply the brush head to your skin. Turn on the power and gently move the brush in a small circular motion. The Clarisonic features a proprietary T-timer for thorough and even cleansing with an emphasis on the T-zone. This timer beeps and pauses momentarily to indicate that it is time to move to another part of your face. We recommend that you spend the first 20 seconds of brush time on your forehead and another 20 seconds on the nose-chin area, and 10 seconds on each cheek. Only 1 minute and your face gets a complete and gentle cleansing. When finished, just rinse your skin and the brush head with warm water. For best results, use it during your morning routine, at night before going to bed, or any time you need deep yet gentle cleansing. Created by the primary inventor of the Sonic Hair Toothbrush, the makers of the Clarisonic Skincare Brush are confident that once people try this product, they will never want to wash their faces in the old-fashioned way again. The Clarisonic Skincare Brush, putting professional-grade technology into your hands to be used at your convenience.